Get up. It's time to do farm chores. Hey, they're so beautiful and perfect. They're so beautiful and perfect. Don't you just want to eat her face? My beautiful lady. You know, these hoes tried to say that I couldn't barrel race in a robe. So, we're gonna prove them wrong, Lolo. We could barrel race naked if we wanted to. Well, we won't do all that, but we could if we wanted to. Cause I don't know if you know this or not, but I'm an international bitch now, Lolo. Yep, your daddy is international. I don't know, do you know what international means? That means I am going to be going all over the world. We got a bunch of new dates for the US and for Europe and for New Zealand and for Australia. Girl, they gonna be able to tell me shit. Lolo, do they got barrel racing in New Zealand, you think? Oh, what a breeze. Oh, do we want a cape? Good day, mate. No, that ain't it. Good day, mate. Yeah, that ain't it, Lolo. Come on. Good day, mate. Good day, mate. Girl, I gotta practice my Australian accent before I get over there. I ain't never gonna get no Australian man sounding like this. Girl, what you think Robert Irwin gonna think of me? I bet he gonna want some. Oh my God. Oh shit. These bitches say we can't barrel race in no robe. I bet we can. My nipples about to fly out. My nipples. Oh, my nipples. Wookie. Wookie. Oh, hell no. Wookie. Wookie, come on. Get your ass. Wookie, I'm trying to get my last ride in on these horses before I start my world tour now. Quit playing with me. Come here. Wookie. Where is your fucking boot? Oh, you about to piss me off. You about to piss me off, Wookie. What you don't understand about I got a world tour to go on. And you're really fucking up the schedule. Wookie, come here. Come here, Bubba. Hi. Come here. Come here. Be good, Wookie. 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 Bring your motherfucking ass. I'm finna whoop your ass. I'm not amused. There's no part of me that is amused right now with you. There is no part of me that is kikiing with you right now. You about to, I'm finna throw up. You about to piss me off. Wookie, come here, come here, little angel. Was that it? Little angel, little precious angel, I've got a little treat for you. Come on, good boy. It's a good boy. It's a good boy. Hi. Yeah. See, was that so? Don't you run, Wookie. 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 That's a good, but Wookie. Wookie, get your motherfucking ass. This shit is not what I motherfucking ordered. Dude, go in your stall. Go in your stall. Don't even play with me. Go. Hallelujah. And since somebody can't keep their damn boots on their feet, because we naughty, I'ma duct tape these bitches on. Oh, now you wanna be sweet. Now, you like a damn Sour Patch Kid. Don't be trying to love all up on me now, Wookie. Don't be trying to love all up on me now. And you gonna have these people probably calling Pete on my ass, thinking I'm duct taping your legs and shit. And just so y'all bitches know, because I know y'all gonna have something to say, this protects his little legs from the flies, because they get ate up. But he don't like the boots on, so I have to duct tape him so his little legs don't get tore up by flies. Y'all mind y'all's damn business and take care of y'all's children, and I'll take care of mine. Nosy asses. Wookie, no. I'm gonna start calling you Wookina. Badass. Wookina Mathews. Good boy. Whew. All right. Good morning. Good morning. Top of the morning to ya. Is that English? What is that one? I don't know. I don't know if y'all know this, but your daddy is a world touring star. I mean, let's not get ahead of ourselves. The tickets ain't sold yet, but you know, y'all hungry? Okay. Hold on. Oh, we starving. Good morning, my little bald-headed hoe. Hey, my little bald-headed hoe. You so bald-headed. Your little bangs look like, ooh, they look pitiful. Your bangs look pitiful. Pitiful, I say. Pitiful. You got flies all over you, mama. I gotta spray you down. Girl, what is it? I'll bust your ass. Come on. There you go. Enjoy. My big girl. My big girl. Yeah, is it good? Is it good, lady? Damn. Big ass, ho. This is what I'm gonna look like when I meet Robert Irwin. Let me stop. Let me act like I got some sense. Look, I can already see a little Australian man, you know, just being just so in love with me. They're gonna be like, for you. For moi? Wait, that's French, ain't it? Moi. Moi. Oh, I ain't going to France. Uh-uh. You won't go dump some shit. Is that an English accent? I don't know. I want some tea and crumpets. Damn, I be sounding like I'm from London for real. I'm finna fuck these hoes up over there. Oh shit. Hold on. Oh shit. Oh shit. They really finna love me over there in the UK, baby. Let me tell you. Motherfucker. Motherfucker. No, that's not right. Motherfucker. Baby, don't ask me to speak no English over there. Wait, I do speak English. Don't they speak English? Baby, I don't know. Winston, no. Come on, let's go back. That's not. Come on, get your big ass, get your motherfucking ass back in. Go on back in. Winston, go on back in there. Go. You ain't. Come on, Winston. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Go, Winnie. Winnie, get your ass in there. Hey, I did it. Go. Motherfucker. And this why I got to go back on this damn tour. Come on, hell. Winnie. This shit is not what I ordered. Come on. Who there? Y'all, I'm finna. Who there? I'm finna be on a world tour. Do y'all hear me? My first world tour. And y'all act like we are brand new. Rip me out the plastic. Come on. With your big ass. My God. That was a lot. That was a lot. My God. Damn, I think I done fucked up my sciatica. Move, move. Oh, y'all still got food. Okay, move. Move, 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 move. Oh, my hip. Oh, I don't know what that is, but I pulled it with Winston's big ass. I ain't gonna have to do all this when I'm in the UK. Yeah, which I was badasses. Mary Kate, come on and eat, baby. That's how Ashley died. She starved herself to death. Come on. Hey, little sugar bear. What are you doing? What are you doing? Did you know your father is going to Australia? Is that how you say Australia? Girl, we might fuck around and get y'all Australian stepdaddy. Yes. Yeah. I might fuck around and come home with a crocodile or something. Clarissa, inside. Red, inside. 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 I'm not playing with y'all. Go. Inside. Shit. Ladarius. Stop. 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 Let me check your little eyes. They're beautiful. Well, have you ever been to New Zealand? New Zealand. You ever been? Me neither. You know, that's where they filmed Xena at. The Warrior Princess. You know? Yeah. That used to be my shit. That's where they filmed it at, Ladarius. Bitch, I'll bust your ass. Don't piss me off. I bet the chickens in New Zealand don't talk to me like this. Do they got chickens in New Zealand? I bet they don't, and that's where I'm gonna be. And you better hope somebody feeds you while I'm gone. Mean ass. Excuse me. Hello, beautiful. Girl. I wonder do they got KFC in New Zealand? Do they got okay. Do they got KFC in Australia? I wonder. Cause that's where y'all can go. Oh my God. Give me that egg. Goodbye, everyone.